guys, and welcome to a hair video, starting with some not very good hair. So in this video I thought I would do my everyday hairstyles. I filmed on 4 different days, 4 different hairstyles. They're nothing groundbreaking, they're literally just what I do during this summertime. I've even chucked in a little festival one for you guys. I'm going to be using the Paul Mitchell Neuro Liquid products, which I've been using recently and they're literally insane, and the Neuro styling tools. So I really hope you enjoy this style of video. So I am off to Common People Festival today. I'm so excited. It's my first festival of the summer and it was literally forecast thunderstorm today, but it is a beautiful, bright and sunny day. So fingers crossed the rain holds off. So I just popped in the shower, hence the towel, and I washed my hair with a NeuroCare shampoo and conditioner, which are so nice. Oh my god, they smell so good and it makes your hair feel so lovely. So I'm going to dry it with this beast of a hairdryer, which is amazing, and then I'm going to do a little festival style. It's not going to be complicated at all, super easy, and then I'm going to take you along to the festival with me. So I'm going to dry my hair in a middle parting because I'm doing space buns. As nice as it is that it's sunny, it's also cloudy, so the light is going to keep going in and out, so I do apologise for that. It's so weird with the middle parting, like I really don't suit this. This hairdryer is literally insane, like it has so many settings on it, so you can do it exactly how you like it. I like it hot and fast, so that's what I'm going to do. There's like an on button here and then you can change the speed of it. So I'm going to do 2 little half up, half down space buns. And by the way, if you can hear anyone in the shower, Sam is in the shower right now. It's not like a random intruder that's decided to use the shower, although that boiler is annoying. But anyway, we'll get on with it because we have to get ready. Like, I've literally got 20 minutes before all my friends come round, so I need to do my hair. I have my little elastics, oh thank you boiler, and then my bobby pins. Got some like metallic-y ones which are super cool. So what I'm going to do is section off my hair. Oh, my hair is so soft. The best thing about that shampoo and conditioner is the conditioner has like heat protect technology in it, so that obviously helps when you blow dry your hair. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my elastic and put my hair in a tiny little ponytail. Cute. And then we're going to twist our hair like this, and we're going to twist it round to form a bun, a little space bun. So we have the gold grips, so cute. I'm just gonna pop them in to my little bun. Oh, ow. Try not to ah! Guys! Oh no! I'm filming!
I'm naked.
Okay, well, oh, is Sam naked?
What kind of?
Okay, so I've just sent them to the shop while I finish getting ready, and I don't think I'm going to actually use the grips anymore because you could see them too much. I'm literally just going to use another elastic like over the top, so I think that'll be a lot better. And then I'm just going to like tuck it in. So I just slid a little grip underneath. I think that's going to be the best way to do it, to just do one hairband for the ponytail, one hairband. So now for the next side, and then I can't decide whether to have my hair curly or straight. I don't know. What do you guys think would be better? Like, I quite like it sleek and straight with the lilac. I gotta make sure that the space buns are like in, well, roughly the same place. Okay, so we are pinned in place. I am gonna straighten my hair, I think. I'm gonna use this NeuroStyle Protect spray, which is a heat protectant. So I just spray a little bit of this on before I straighten my hair. And then I am gonna be using, where did I put them? Straighteners! These, which are, look at these, like, look at these plates. These plates are so cool. They're like mirrors. They're amazing. And these heat up so quickly. I think it heats up to like 230 degrees in 30 seconds. Put it to whatever heat you want. I'll always put it up to 230 degrees. And they also, which I really love, they fit your hand really well because they've got like this thumb hold thing here. When I straighten, I'll always kind of at the end, not like too much, but I'll always make it so that it goes kind of like this. So I'll guide the straighteners like so it has a little bit of a, I don't know how to describe it, just a curve, because I don't like it when it's like really straight down. To finish off the look, I'm just going to use this hairspray, which is the Neurostyle Finish Spray. This not only holds your hair in place, but it also protects it from humidity, which is so good for like warm summer days. And you know, if it does start to rain tonight, makeup is done. I've literally been sat here getting ready, and these girls already have their glitter on. So I'm going to put some glitter on my face, and I think I might even put a little bit of glitter here in my hair. I've put my outfit on, so I'll show you it all when it's done. We've got the gems, the makeup's done, everyone's glittered, look!
Even he can get away with it.
Guys, so I've just got out the shower, hence I just shoved my hair up because I basically had a Tesco delivery and I was literally in my towel when he knocked. So today is just another day at home. I'm going to put all of this away behind me. Literally, let me show you my fridge at the moment. It is a mess. This shelf cracked, so I need to see if I can buy another shelf. So after I put this away, I'm going to get ready, put some makeup on and just do my everyday hair look. Nothing groundbreaking, just a nice sleek hair, so I'll show you how I do that. How vile is this weather? All done as neatly as I could possibly stack everything. Literally, it's so full right now. Gosh, it is such a dull day today, guys. I've got my softbox lighting up, which I really don't like because it's like really harsh. But anyway, so I have damp hair. What I am going to use is a bit of this volume foam. So even though I'm going to do like a sleek look, I still like a bit of volume at the root because my hair tends to hang quite like close to my head and quite flat. So this is the Neurostyle Lift volume foam. It has thermal protection in it and it basically just gives your hair body, and it smells so good. Like all of these products, like seriously so good. So I'm just gonna pop a bit of that underneath on my roots. Also Lola's back there having a little nap hiding away from the rain today because it's not very nice. I also just realized that I had a meeting booked in for today. I completely forgot. Like literally the bank holiday has really thrown me. Then I'm just gonna use the heat protect spray. So I'm going to just blow dry my hair. I usually just blow dry it straight and then just go over it with the irons. So the hairdryer does a lot of work for me. So I'm just going to literally go over with my straighteners. But yeah, this is literally how I have my hair every day. Simply because it's just a quick look and I think it just suits kind of every occasion. The thing with me and short hair is that I can get away with having my hair really sleek. If I had really long hair, it would just look weird because I've got such a small head and my hair's so flat, like it just doesn't really suit it. But the way it's cut, I don't know, let me know what you think. I just love this like sleek look. It makes me feel very professional and put together. I also just like to smooth down any like flyaways at the top because I like it to be super sleek. I have hopped in my car because I am off to a meeting in town. Just literally walked out in the rain, no hood up or anything. And my hair is still straight. So I've just got back from my meeting. My hair is still pretty much intact. It's got a bit of a kink in it where I've like tucked it behind my ear. But aside from that, it's still smooth and straight. I'm gonna go out and see if I can get my nails done as I'm going to Ibiza Primark on Thursday, so I want to get that sorted, and I need to get a few bits and bobs from Tesco. Matalan, I love you. No chance of me getting into town because the traffic was horrendous. Apparently the Rolling Stones are playing tonight, so I couldn't get in to get my nails done, but I still needed to get my other bit, so I went to Home Bargains and I needed some of these hairbands for a hair tutorial tomorrow, and Matalan saved the day. Like, I'm so happy right now. Morning guys. So this morning's been a little bit of a slow one. I had a bit of a tricky night last night anxiety wise, and this morning I'm still feeling a little bit on edge as I am going away tomorrow, which is super exciting, but anxiety likes to crash my party a lot when I'm going away, make me feel anxious about a load of things. So today I had planned on going to the gym this morning, but I didn't get to go. I might go later, but basically my number one thing is to pop into town and get some last minute clothes for my trip to Ibiza. I'm going at 4 AM tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna need to get a super early night tonight. So today I'm going to be doing my, what I call bad hair day hairstyle, when I can't be bothered to do my hair and I want to do it really quickly and make it look acceptable, or, you know, I'm just having a bad hair day and it needs to go all back. I usually do this for the gym. Like I said, I was meant to go to the gym this morning, but I'm not sure I have time. My priority today is getting ready for going away on holiday tomorrow because I need to be prepared. So I literally haven't even brushed my hair today. I'm gonna give it a brush through, and this hairstyle is literally super simple. So what I like to do is get it like super sleek and then tuck it behind my ears, because this is what it's gonna look like. I absolutely adore these kind of hair bubbles. I have one of these on my wrist every single day, and as you guys saw yesterday, like I literally went on a hunt for a clear one because I find it's the best for this hairstyle. Obviously you can use any hairband, but I just find these really easy to use. So I'm gonna turn to the side. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. So gather all the hair into a ponytail, and then I literally just wrap it round maybe once or twice, and then I just pop it through. But instead of pulling it all the way through, just do it into a little bun. And then obviously, I mean, it's messy, you have like bits sticking out, you can't tuck them in or like go around and do it again. But to be honest, I don't see the back of my head, so I don't really care what it looks like. That's just literally it. I think it looks really kind of classy and elegant, and it takes 2 seconds. The only other thing I will do, see, I use no tools today. I'm just going to use this hairspray just to flatten down, like, because I like it to be super sleek, like yesterday's hairstyle, no kind of flyaways, and then obviously just spray my bun. You're gonna drive, Lola. you're in my seat. Just at the Royal Mail Depot, as you can see. I swear that these people must think I'm like an avid online shopper. Anyway, hair's still intact. I am going to go home, grab some lunch, and then head into town. This one had a nice walk, although I'm a bit worried about her at the moment. She's being really like quiet, aren't you? You're not being as excitable as usual. So chill. Halloumi salad for lunch. I got a bit carried away. Okay guys, so it is now 10 PM and I just got out of the shower. It's hair washing day tomorrow, but obviously I'm up at 4 AM, so I thought I'd wash it tonight, style it, which is what I usually do when I'm getting on an early flight, and then my hair looks done. I also used a little bit of this in the shower, which is so good. It's the repair treatment, and you basically pop it on for like, well, I put it on for like 10 minutes in the shower, like after you put on your shampoo and conditioner, and just leave it, wash it. Wash your parts, do what you need to do, and then you rinse it out, and yeah, it does what it says. It repairs your hair, makes it feel really nice and soft, and we are going to do some curls, which I'm so excited for. This is like my favourite hairstyle. I'm just going to pop a bit of the volume mousse in, because obviously we want this look to have volume, and I'm also going to pop in some of the blowout primer, which I don't think I have shown you guys yet. So this again is just another layer of thermal protection for the hair. It's a gel-like formula, so I just put this kind of all over and then blow dry. So I'm going to use the Nuro Unclip 3-in-1 styler, which basically comes with 3 different heads, all for different types of waves and curls. I'm going to be using this middle one here. So you just clip this on and then lock it to make sure that it's not going to come off. And then I am going to start curling. Again, you can like adjust the temperature of it, so I put it right up to 230 degrees. I really like the fact that this has a tapered end. I feel like this really helps me create the like curl I want. So what I do is I face the curler down and then I wrap it round like so, and I will always leave the end of it out to keep that straight, because I find if it curls under, I don't know, it's just basically not the look that I go for. I always keep the end straight. Hold it for a few seconds and voila. And then I'm just gonna go and literally do the same all over. My hair feels so soft. It is at this point when it's 10:30 at night and I have a flight in the morning that I'm glad I don't have like a full, long, thick head of hair to curl, because that would take so long. This actually shouldn't take me too long. It usually takes me around 10 to 15 minutes. So let's just speed it up for you guys. Curled, I like to run my hands through it to create that kind of loose wave look. I don't want the curls to be too tight. And I'm just going to finish it off with a bit of hairspray to hold it in till the morning. But I just really love the kind of wave that this wand creates. I really must get to bed because I do not do well with lack of sleep. And voila, I am going to be vlogging Ibiza, so obviously I will see you in that vlog. I will do a little clip of my hair done and like when my makeup looks nice, etc. tomorrow to insert into this video so that you can see. But I really hope you liked it, and please do give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you're not already subscribed to me, then do click the subscribe button down below, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.